Myself, I think if the people in this country understand to live, it's a plenty thing to make for living. Because we have nature, or you can grow everything in this country.
Yes.
But most people, they are, how to say in English, they are spoiled. Have more and more, never enough. I have a car, I want to have a motorbike, I want to such nice clothes, never enough. So like the king say, self-sufficient economy. That's one. It means you can grow rice by yourself, you feed chicken by yourself. You can, live it by natural
So you're
way.
happy with all the things that you have here?
Yes, I'm very happy.
You're very happy.
Yes.
You don't need all the clothes and
You don't need
all the you aren't that way. That you want more and more and more. You're not like that.
For myself, before, yes, when I was young, when I was 20 or 18 years, I saw people have such nice motorbike.
And you wanted to.
I feel like to. But today, I'm 34 years. And then I think I want to live it by natural.
Yeah.
It's not important anymore, all that stuff.
No, I don't
Motorbike.
A lot of people now, they understand about self-sufficient economy. For the philosophy of the Thai kings, say that live it by enough.
So you're happy with all the things that you have
Yes,
here now?
yes, very happy.
That's good.
Er zijn blijkbaar bepaalde namen of zo.